Welcome to In the Kitchen with Annie. I have another great recipe for you today. I have not bought these items in a long time because they're very expensive. So I said, I had some in the fridge for a couple of days. I said I'm gonna cook them today because I have some leftover food. So I just needed some meat to eat with it. And I said, I am going to cook these, but I have to bring my family in the kitchen with me. So actually, I brought y'all in the kitchen with me to see how I make these items. So if you are here for the first time, welcome to the family. For those of you that has been with me for a while and that know me, know that I'm Annie, and welcome. So today we are going to be cooking some oxtails today. I had them seasoned up overnight because I wanted them to be nice and seasoned. So I seasoned them up overnight. I used Sweet Annie's Bajan seasoning and just a couple other seasonings with it. And I'm going to leave that video in the description of how I made our Bajan seasoning. And for this video, I'll leave some timestamps or some chapters in the description box for you. So I also have my cut up seasonings that I did it off camera for the sake of time because it's about 8 o'clock in the morning now. So I'm gonna be cooking these early, getting something to eat early, washing some clothes. And these are gonna take probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So I will be back with you when they're all done, but I will show you the process of how we do it. Then I'm just gonna be putting in a potato and a carrot. And one thing I forgot my molasses, because you can't do stew without molasses. So sit back and enjoy this. So I have my pot on the stove. I'm just gonna put a little bit of avocado oil to just stir fry my. Not gonna put too much because my oxtails are going to spout some oil and all that as well. So I'm just gonna let it get warm, get hot a little bit, and then I would put my items in. And we are just gonna be doing some basic oxtail stew. So this is one of my favorite meats. But as I said, I can't buy them too often because they're so expensive. So I'm just gonna let all my herbs and everything just saute for a little bit. I'm just gonna put some molasses in it because instead of using gravy browning, I'll just use some molasses, and the molasses would give me the color that I need. Because I just need a little color, I don't need them too dark. Look at this. Doesn't that look beautiful? I can't even wait. My mouth are just watering. And all these recipes that I share with you, I know I like to talk when y'all are here in the kitchen with me. I just like to talk to y'all. But all these recipes that I'm sharing with you, I hope that you can try them, and if you did try them, let me know how they came out, how it tasted. And if you can send me a picture of how they look, I would really, 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 really appreciate that as well. All right. And then I will turn right now my stove is on medium high, but when I put the oxtails on, what I will do, y'all see my herbs are growing? My herbs just growing in water. I have some that I have they're in the house and they're just growing. You know, we gotta do what we gotta do. Now, the reason I'm putting on this water is because I am going to be using some hot water to put into my thing. It seems as though these have been sauteing it up. I'm going to put in my oxtails. Look at that. Doesn't they look beautiful? My favorite. Y'all must be saying that I'm so greedy. I always want to be eating and talking about food. Yeah, I sort of like bringing y'all in the kitchen with me. Alright. When it starts to boil up a little, I am going to lower the stove down to medium, and it should be good from there. Oh, I can tell y'all another thing that I like to do. Let me just go get it. I'll be right back. Now this is some of my herbal tea, and it is the hibiscus, and I think I got chamomile and calendula in here. So what I am going to do, I am going to use my herbal tea as like to help with the gravy. And those are little tips that I like to do. And if you have herbal tea and you want to make some more, don't waste it, just use it in whatever. And that is gonna stay and do its thing for the next hour and a half. I will check it, I'll go wash, I'll go do what I have to do, and I will be right back. Okay, family, this was on for our oxtails was on for about an hour 40 minutes or so. This is what we're looking at. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at our oxtails. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it looks so delicious. And this color is just the natural color from the molasses. So what we are gonna do, I have my bowl right here. Awesome, awesome. And so I am going to come and I am going to taste this for you now. Look at that. Look at that. It looks so delicious. Taste this. See how moist. Look at it. It looks so delicious. It's hot. Huh? It's nice and soft. No, you can't how soft that is. I don't like it when it's too soft. This is just right for me. This is just right. That is so delicious. Then what I normally do is get everything off of the bone by biting everything off of the bone. So family, I hope that you enjoyed this short recipe, and I mean, my oxtails are awesome. They taste great. Once again, you can try this at home. I know that they're a little expensive, but if you get a chance, try it at home. And what you can do is send me a comment, like, and share this recipe, because I'm sure that you have friends that would want to try this recipe, and because I mean, it is awesome. So once again, thank you so much for joining me, and my name is Annie, and blessings to you, and continue to spread the love and have a great